Imagine a place where clouds drift through the trees, weaving between ancient trunks and delicate branches. Here, the cool, damp air gently kisses your face, leaving a trace of moisture on your skin and a sense of wonder in your heart. This is the cloud forest of Ecuador, a world suspended between earth and sky, where the horizon blurs and the ordinary becomes extraordinary. Life thrives here in a constant blanket of mist, every living thing adapted to this unique, ever-changing environment. The air is thick with the scent of wet earth and sweet flowers, a fragrance that lingers and fills your senses with every breath. Every leaf and branch sparkles with droplets when sunlight breaks through the canopy, turning the forest into a world of shimmering jewels. These forests cling to the slopes of the Andes, where warm, moist air rises and cools, creating a near-perpetual cloud cover that nourishes all life below. The mist is the lifeblood of this world, sustaining everything from towering trees to tiny insects, each playing a vital role in this delicate ecosystem. The greenness here is overwhelming, 1,000 shades, ancient and full of secrets, each layer telling a story of resilience and adaptation. To step into a cloud forest is to enter another reality, where the boundaries between dream and waking life seem to dissolve. The silence is alive with the drip of water and the distant call of unfamiliar birds, a symphony of sounds that soothes and enchants. Light filters softly through the clouds and leaves, making everything seem more vibrant, as if the forest itself is glowing from within. This is not just a forest, it's a sanctuary where the ordinary rules of the world fade away, replaced by a sense of magic and possibility. The air feels pure, as if you're breathing for the first time, filling your lungs with the essence of life itself. Trees stand like ancient guardians, their branches draped in moss and ferns, silent witnesses to centuries of change and growth. Exploring this place is a journey for the spirit as much as the body, inviting you to slow down and truly notice the world around you. It connects us deeply to the natural world, reminding us of our place within the web of life. Here you're reminded of the beauty our planet holds, and what we must protect, for these forests are as fragile as they are breathtaking. The forest calms the soul and awakens wonder, inviting you to pause, reflect, and simply be present. It's a place where time slows, and every breath feels like a gift, a reminder of the preciousness of each moment. The cloud forest is a living reminder of nature's magic, a testament to the wonders that still exist on our planet. It's a world that invites respect, curiosity, and awe, urging us to explore, learn, and cherish its mysteries. And it's a treasure we must strive to preserve so that future generations can experience the wonder of a world above the clouds. The cloud forest is alive with a symphony of sounds, a chorus of countless creatures, each adding its own unique voice to the wild orchestra. Stand still, and you'll hear the hum of insects, the calls of hidden birds, and the rustle of small mammals weaving through the undergrowth, all blending into a living soundtrack. Each sound is a note in nature's complex music, layered and ever-changing, creating a harmony that is both ancient and new. This is a world of incredible biodiversity, home to species found nowhere else on Earth, thriving in a delicate balance. Tiny, brightly colored frogs warn predators with their vivid hues, signaling danger in the language of color. Monkeys swing through the canopy, their calls echoing through the misty treetops. Elusive mammals like the olinguito hide in the shadows, rarely seen but always present. The forest is a living library of evolution, its pages written in the DNA of every plant and animal. As day turns to night, the soundtrack shifts. Birds greet the dawn with song, insects buzz in the heat, filling the air with their persistent energy, and nocturnal frogs and crickets fill the darkness, their calls rising as the sun sets. Every creature, no matter how small, plays a vital role. Insects pollinate flowers, birds spread seeds, frogs control insect populations, and each action supports the next. Everything is connected in a delicate web of life, where even the smallest thread is essential. The symphony of the cloud forest is a testament to this interconnectedness, a living reminder of nature's balance. Listening to the forest is to understand its rhythms and cycles, to sense the heartbeat of the wild. It's a moving experience that connects you to the pulse of the planet, grounding you in the present moment. Every sound tells a story of harmony and balance, of survival and cooperation. Here, life is music, and every note matters, no matter how faint or fleeting. The cloud forest song is the story of life itself, echoing through time and inviting us to listen. In the cloud forest, trees are more than just trees. They're vertical gardens teeming with life, stretching high into the misty air. Here, every branch and trunk becomes a living platform, supporting a vibrant community of plants and animals. Mosses drape the branches, soaking up mist and creating a soft green landscape that feels almost otherworldly. These mosses act like sponges, capturing moisture from the ever-present fog. These mossy coats provide homes for countless plants and animals, from tiny insects to colorful frogs and even small mammals. Epiphytes, air plants, cling to branches, drawing nutrients from the air and rain, never needing to touch the ground below. Among them, orchids bloom in every shape and color, from dinner plate size to nearly invisible, adding bursts of color to the green tapestry. Finding one is like discovering a hidden jewel, a secret treasure tucked away in the foliage. By growing high in the trees, these plants reach for sunlight above the dense forest floor, competing for every precious ray. The constant mist gives them the water they need, bathing the forest in a gentle, nourishing fog day and night. The result is a multi-layered ecosystem. Both the forest floor and the canopy above host unique communities, each with its own wonders. Bromeliads collect water in their leaves, creating tiny pools for insects and tadpoles, turning each plant into a miniature pond. Life here is resilient and inventive, thriving in unlikely places and adapting to the ever-changing environment. The cloud forest is a lesson in adaptation and nature's endless creativity, where every living thing finds its niche. Every branch is a world of its own, bustling with hidden life and intricate relationships. These gardens in the sky are a testament to life's ingenuity, reminding us of the beauty and complexity that thrives above the clouds. If one creature embodies the spirit of the cloud forest, it's the hummingbird. These tiny, iridescent birds dart through the mist, their wings a blur and their hum filling the air. Ecuador is home to over 130 species, each with unique colors and beaks adapted to specific flowers. Their diversity is a result of co-evolution, a dance between plant and pollinator. Fiercely territorial, hummingbirds hover and chase, fueled by sweet nectar. Their rapid hearts and high-speed lives are a reminder of the constant struggle for survival. As they feed, they pollinate flowers, ensuring the next generation of plants. Hummingbirds are the gardeners of the forest, a vital link in the chain of life. Small but powerful, they help keep the cloud forest wonderfully alive. Their presence is a daily miracle in this enchanted world. Walking the cloud forest is an immersion into a world both ancient and alive. The path is soft with moss and fallen leaves. The air is cool, scented with earth and flowers. Greens in every shade surround you, punctuated by flashes of color. Flowers, butterflies, birds. Mist drifts through the trees, shifting the light and creating a dreamlike atmosphere. The forest soundtrack is the drip of water, the rustle of unseen creatures, and the calls of birds overhead. Each sound and sight reminds you that you're a guest in a living world. The experience awakens awe and humility, connecting you to nature in a way modern life rarely allows. The forest asks only that you walk quietly and observe. Here you slow down, breathe deeply, and simply be present. A walk in the cloud forest is more than a memory. It's a feeling that stays with you. It's a living dream you carry long after you leave. The cloud forest is a delicate ecosystem, dependent on precise conditions, altitude, temperature, and moisture. The constant mist sustains every plant and animal. Change the balance and the entire system is at risk. Every species plays a role. Trees shelter, insects pollinate, birds and mammals spread seeds, fungi recycle nutrients. Remove one link and the web unravels. But this balance is threatened. Climate change pushes clouds higher, leaving forests to dry out. Many species can't adapt quickly enough. Deforestation fragments habitats and erodes soil, breaking the cycle of renewal. The cloud forests are a global treasure, but they're disappearing fast. Understanding their fragility is the first step to protecting them. Their survival depends on our choices. We must act before this balance is lost forever. Visiting the cloud forest makes us part of its story and gives us a responsibility. Respectful travel means leaving the forest as pristine as we found it. Stay on trails to protect delicate plants and prevent erosion. Don't touch or collect plants or animals. They belong to the ecosystem, not to us. Support local communities by hiring local guides and staying in eco-lodges. When locals benefit from a living forest, they become its protectors. Carry out all your waste. There are no cleaning crews here. Litter harms wildlife and spoils the beauty. Our journey should be one of appreciation and care, not harm. Every choice we make matters. Let's tread lightly and help preserve this wonder for generations. The future of Ecuador's cloud forests is in our hands. These forests regulate climate, store carbon, and prevent floods and droughts. Protecting them is self-preservation, not just charity. Awareness is the first step. Share their story and the threats they face. Education inspires action. When we value something, we fight for it. Conservation efforts in Ecuador are making a difference. Protected parks, scientific research, and ecotourism offer hope. But these efforts need our support to grow. Making a promise to protect the cloud forest is a personal commitment. It's a promise to value nature, teach respect, and make conscious choices. The fate of the forest's creatures is tied to our own. By protecting their home, we protect our shared planet. This is a legacy of beauty and life we must choose to pass on. The promise begins with us. Few places are as captivating as the misty green world of the cloud forest. It sparks imagination, touches the soul, and reminds us that magic still exists on our planet. The forest invites us to listen, marvel, and feel wonder. If you ever visit, go with an open heart and curious mind. Walk its paths, breathe its air, and let its beauty inspire you. The cloud forest teaches us about nature and about ourselves. Its story is just one chapter in the endless tale of our planet. By sharing these stories, we build a community that cares and protects. Thank you for joining this journey. The adventure is just beginning.